I said, yeah, you got a few guys that probably was doing it.
Yeah.
Maybe one or two of them just started a business, but I mean, it's enough grass for everybody to cut.
Yeah, you're right, man.
That business is booming. I mean, it's opportunity, so I don't get it. I'm like, yo, dude, I'm telling you, I wanted to get in it, man. I said, I just ain't got time to be going back and forth.
No, man. There's going to be a lot going on, man. They said that damn budget crop going to damn near break the United States, man. Yeah, they said that budget going to pretty much got us trillions of dollars worth of damn debt.
You know what was crazy? I don't even know the truth half the time, man.
I don't know. I hope not. I hope not.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I hope not, man. I'll be honest with you.
It's too easy now to just put anything out there.
Yeah,
we can make up a story now and put it out there.
Yeah.
And somebody pick up on it. Oh, I didn't know that, and they pass it on.
Right. Social media, man.
Yeah.
But I do know some of the Social Security said that they didn't get that tax break on that. One time he said he was going to allow Social Security not to be taxed.
Yeah.
That didn't make it. I was going over some.
That would have been beautiful, man.
Yeah, man.
That would have been beautiful.
Yeah, that didn't make it, man. But what else? Some other stuff did make it where they got a tax break on it, man.
Yeah, okay, I'd have been happy with that. I didn't hear that.
The inheritance law, where if your heirs inherit the property for you, I think up to $15 million they want from you.
For real? Okay, that's a good thing. See, I didn't know that. That's good. I don't have that, so
man.
I'm not even close to that.
Like I said, I watched a lot of videos. The one guy got on there and just kind of talked about the details of it.
No, I like that.
Yeah, man.
That's the only thing I like so far.
Yeah, the inheritance tax, man.
I want to know how I'm benefiting from
Big
this.
Break. What's up, baby?
Last time he did something like that, I don't remember benefiting from it. I know I lost money because he did something with the estate tax or real estate.
Yeah, man. So, yeah, there's a lot going on, man. We're going to see, man. We're going to see.
No choice, right?
Yeah, that's all we can do.
Voting has consequences.
It's just so much going on. That's the problem. So much going on. You know what I mean?
They play a lot, but it's like you knew they were going to pass it.
Yeah.
Well,
I'm going to tell you what happened now.
Gamemanship, man.
It was about 4 or 5 Republicans that signed and said no at first. They said, damn, Trump told go get their ass, make their ass come in. Yeah. Bro, they was like, he ran their ass down. Yeah, he wasn't playing with
he understands his power, man. That's one dude.
Yeah.
He understands his power.
Yeah,
I thought he was an idiot first term, but this dude, he's smarter than I thought he was. Man. He knows what the fuck he's doing.
He told the guy, go get them motherfuckers. He said one of them had went into hiding, and they told him, you better get him.
Yeah.
But they wouldn't close the vote down for like 2 or 3 days. They went for like 30-some hours of it, man. And found it, man. I guess they got it in, man. My wife told me about it the other day. She said, yeah, they found the sign. I said, what? I had been waiting on it, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, man.
I called the big, beautiful.
They got a man right there. Huh? What's up, Mike? What's up, baby?
Good
to see you, man. Good to see you. Yes, sir.
Hey, what's happening, man? I know, man.
Been like 2 years for this motherfucker. Yeah, he done quit on us. Yeah. I think Cover was in.
Well, George grounded us, so that's kind of a good thing. You don't have to be out in the air as much.
Down as a laughing stock, especially for July 4th. Yeah. He was just saying
what's going on, folks, man?
Good to see you, dog. Yeah, man. I'm saying the same exact thing.
Yeah, we had talked about it before. Yeah, man. Yeah, we tell the story before, man. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Not bad, the weather, man. It's kind of a little chilly and cool today. I'm going to say cool, but
people need to ask themselves, seriously, what am I getting at?
Thanks for that.
Everybody asks themselves that.
Oh, boy.
What am I getting at? And you realize how much
you know I got the mention right now. Oh, boy. I don't know about that. I got me the best we got out here today. I think I got about 20 up out here today. Yeah.
Would you mind taking our picture, please? I can see this with Jerry, so my husband can see 2 of his friends is already out here. So Jerry, you can see Harry. Oh, I just gotta make sure my hat is on. Happy anniversary to y'all.
Yeah. That's all we do. Thanks for checking it out.
Got it. All right, bro. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
People look at me, they see a man, right? I tell them, I say, hey, you see a man, but I'm a mama's boy. always been a mama's boy. Because everybody had red and white and blue, and I said, yeah, I'm gonna see it.
I get a cruise a couple years ago. You know, on the different upper deck. You got
Oh, okay. They just diverted it. Okay.
What's happening, man?
Oh my! I haven't seen the last time I saw 95 that open was 2 o'clock in the morning.
I was surprised for 4th of July.
Well, everybody leaving. Everybody still going south. They left it. Oh, yesterday.
Oh yeah, it's nice.
This guy.
Okay. I thought you talking about the other rod. Yeah, your rod. Yeah.
All right, I just want to make sure.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
You going to the V after this? For the
Yeah, you
cookout,
know, be right there.
Hey, sister.
I know, but